Hi guys, this is your grooming expert Akshiv, and yet again I welcome you all to the Grooming from Home video series where I tell you all easy tips and tricks about grooming yourself even from home. Today I'll be talking about something that every one of you wants to do but somehow can't really pull off. Yes, I'm talking about growing a full hipster beard. Most of us guys love the idea of having a beard, but as soon as we start to grow it, the motivation dies down. Either because of the time it takes to grow, the itchiness, or the maintenance that comes with it. It's lockdown, you're home, and there will be no better time than this for you to grow your beard. And the best part is, you don't have to grow, you just have to let it grow on its own while you sit back and chill. And if you're still stuck on the queries and problems you have, then worry no more. Now that I'm here, I'm going to help you guys with all of your queries in growing a beard. And before this lockdown ends, I am sure that we all are going to have some kick-ass stylish beards. From my experience of growing a full long beard, here are the top 8 things you should know that will help you cruise through your beard growth. Number 1. Beard growth takes time. The number one thing you should know when you start to grow your beard that it takes its own time to grow. Some people can grow it faster and others have it slower. So don't get impatient, sit back and just let it grow. This is actually a phase where you can increase your patience. Number 2. Shaving doesn't speed up your beard growth. This is one myth that needs to be busted for sure. Shaving before you start to grow your beard doesn't make the process any faster or even help you treat a patchy beard. Beard growth is totally dependent upon your genes and hormones, and the characteristics of your genes will determine how your beard turns out to be, and there is no other way around this fact. Number 3. It will itch. When you've grown the beard for about 2 weeks, this is the time when it starts to itch and irritate you. This is totally natural and happens to everyone, so you again have to be patient with it. And one thing you can do to reduce the itchiness is using a beard softener or an oil. I would recommend using a specific beard oil, but even if you don't have one, you could use a normal oil just like almond or coconut. Number 4. Don't worry if it comes out patchy. If you've reached the 3 to 4 week stage and realize that your beard has started to come out patchy, I would suggest you to keep growing the beard even more. To treat and know the extent of your patchy beard, you need to have your beard grown as full as possible. And to treat a patchy beard, beard growth oils claim to grow hair on your patchy areas, so you can give them a try as well. But the best thing would be to embrace your patchy beard style. It's naturally patchy and there is not much you can do about it. So why not accept what you have and make the best of it? Most celebrities do it, and it's high time you also be confident with it. Number 5. Uneven and a frizzy beard. When you are at a stage when the hair on your beard have started to grow out uneven and frizzy, it's time for you to tame it and give your beard a trimming session. For starters, you need to sharpen the beard by trimming the overgrown hair on the neckline, sideburns, cheek line and the mustaches. This will also reduce the itchiness to an extent. To control the uneven hair, you need to level and cut them using a pair of scissors. To control the frizz on your beard, you need to shape it properly, which essentially means to comb it in downwards direction so that it stays straight most of the time. You'll have to do this multiple times a day so that the hair settles down properly. Number 6. Dandruff problems. Using a beard wash or shampoo on your beard is definitely what I would recommend to avoid all dandruff or roughness in your beard. The beard wash will remove dirt and make your beard soft and fresh. Number 7. Thin hair. Having thin beard hair is again a thing about genetics and hormones. Some guys have a thicker beard and some have it thinner. But still, you can try to treat this by using a beard oil regularly. The nourishment you get from a beard oil makes your hair a little more thick and dense. Number 8. Mustaches. While the rest of the beard grows, your mustaches grow as well. One thing that I would like to recommend is to groom them regularly from above the lips and on the sides. This will make sure that the hair don't come in your mouth and you can eat your food easily. The kind of style you want for your mustaches is totally your choice. As long as the beard, longer than it or shorter, you're free to keep anything you like. I hope I could help you in all your problems in growing a beard. Now it's time for you to sit back and let your beard grow as long as it can. Just remember all the tips that I suggested and you'll be sorted for a kick-ass stylish beard. That's all from me in this video. I'll be back with more grooming tutorials for you very soon. Till then, stay groomed and look dapper.